You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hi everyone, it's Holly here with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm coming to you because we got another mystery box, guys. This one is Cricut's Rays of Sunshine mystery box. So let's get into the box and see what we have. As always, I haven't peeked yet, so I'm excited. All right, let's take a peek. All right. Well, it does. It's beautiful so far. It does look like a ray of sunshine. We do have a cutie, so we'll get into that soon. So first up in the box is a roll of everyday iron-on in yellow. And you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of that. Beautiful sunshiny color. What is this sparkly goodness? This is a tube of glitter iron-on in fluorescent orange, and it's 12 by 19 inches. This does look a little softer orange on camera, but it is a brighter orange. This is like a beautiful summer color, like beach scenes, all of that. Gorgeous. Next up, we have mosaic iron-on. So you're gonna get metallic mosaic iron-on in gold, and you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of that. I love these colors together. It is so sunshiny. Also in the box, we're gonna get some of the Cricut with Martha Stewart premium vinyl. This is in gold, and you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches. This is the removable vinyl. Beautiful. I love me some Martha Stewart. Next up is gonna be everyday iron-on mesh. You're gonna get this in gold also, and this is 12 by 24 inches. As you can see, it is the mesh there. I always say this is good. You can make stuff for like teams. That looks really cool. I've seen it on totes a lot. As you can see there, like on the jersey they put it, which is a really cool effect. It's perfect for that. There's a lot of shininess in here. I like the shininess. And then we're going to get a thing of the adhesive foil. And this is going to be one roll of 20 by 48 inches of the gold adhesive foil for those good foil accents, which look beautiful on so many things. Also have a tube here of the premium vinyl in melon. So this is like a soft pink color melon here. Beautiful. And then we also have a tube of the premium vinyl in maize yellow. So this is permanent, glossy, and it is 12 by 48 inches. This is a great color for sunsets, sunshines. It's got a little bit of a mustardy to it. It would be great for fall colors. It would be really good for that. And then we have a pack of the fine point pen sets, and this is in the tapestry colors. So you got a blue, a green, I think like navy blue, hunter green, like a burgundy or raspberry, a nice eggplant color, and then an orange, orangish yellow. Beautiful. These colors too would be so good in fall. All right, and let's see which cutie. So, the moment we've all been waiting for, what cutie is in the box? Let's find out, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Always my favorite moment. He's golden and beautiful. So this is the gold cutie. Now this one did come out in June or July of 2020. So he is a repeat. But he's magnificent. And I do not have him yet, so I am super excited for this one. He's like a little partner with my silver one, my shimmer one. So, it is like a ray of sunshine. So guys, this is the Ray of Sunshine mystery box here. It also comes with these pens here. So this box is $59.99 and the MSRP on it is $121 something. So you're getting over 50% savings on this box. Plus, you're getting your access discount also. So links are below that you can go ahead and purchase the box. There are also links that you can go ahead and sign up for access if you're not an access member. Because not only will you get to buy the mystery box, but you'll save on the mystery box and save on all your purchases from Cricut.com, plus a whole bunch of other benefits. And also, do not forget to enter Melody Lane's monthly giveaway. We do this giveaway every month, guys. And this month, we're going to have two separate winners. One winner is going to win the new hat press bundle from Cricut, And another winner is going to win the new Easy Press 3 bundle with Cricut. So go ahead and enter. Good luck to you all. So you can join us again on our YouTube channel, Melody Lane, on Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern. Alex and I will be going through the new image sets with you guys. And then our crafting live, that's usually on Tuesday, we're actually having a special weekend edition because we understand people work during the week and there were lots of people who were like, hey, I want to join a live. So Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern, we are going to be making a fun card project. It's kind of like, when you see it, you're like, what kind of sorcery? Like, how? How does this work? But it's really fun and I'm excited to share that with you guys. So join us Saturday at 12 p.m. So everyone have a great week. Happy crafting and I will see you next time.